As I stated in my video on Draft 2 Digital on how you can publish your ebooks for free, I also explained that I would show you how to get your new ebook made into an audiobook, also for free. So let's begin. I will give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get a free audiobook at Google. First, you need to go to https://play.google.com/books/publish/u/0/. Once you have registered, you will sign in and be sent to this page. Here you will find your name and email address. In the box on the right, you will enter your password. This will send you to this page. On this page, you will find the heading, Create an Auto-Narrated Audiobook. Click on the button, Get Started. You will then land on a page titled Add a Book. Below that, you will find 3 boxes. The first box, Create an Auto-Narrated Audiobook. In the next box, you will see, Select an ebook to auto-narrate. After you've chosen the ebook you want to become an audiobook, you will see another box pop up. On this page, you will enter information for the ebook that is necessary for your ebook. You'll get an ebook identifier on the top left box. On the top right-hand box, you will put in a brief description of your ebook. In the middle left box, you have your title. The right middle box will show if your book is a fantasy or romance, fiction, or what your book is about. Below that, you will see your name or your pen name, and your publisher if it is not you. Underneath that, you will find the list, content and cover. You will be sent to the next page, where you will find the links to your uploads. Here, you will upload your text for your audiobook. On the right, you will upload your cover for your ebook. Here you will choose what you will charge for your ebook. You will also have the breakdown of what you will charge in other countries. On this page, About the Book, you will put it in the title of your ebook. In the next box, you will enter a short synopsis of your ebook. Here you choose the genres of your book, where you can choose the BISACs that will help to get your ebook out to the search engines. On this page, you will enter the name of the publisher, the format of your ebook, the duration of your ebook, what will be the release of your ebook and the publishing date, whether your ebook is abridged, what is the minimum and maximum age for the book, is it for children or adults only? Do you have any other books that are related to this ebook? Here you state whether your ebook is part of a series. Here Google lets you know how your ebook will appear in Google Play and other Google services. It shows the sample length of your ebook that will be available for review. Normally, it will be around 10% of the ebook. Here you will upload your EPUB file and your ebook cover. I explained in my video in Digital 2 Draft video, where you can get your ebook published for free. Here you can download for free a copy of your ebook in an EPUB, MOSI, and PFT copy for free. Now you can use these free downloads. Use here in Google to make your free audiobook. Your ebook normally takes around 2 hours to make. Finally, your audiobook is finished in a zip and a LPF form. I recommend you download LPF. After you decompress the file, you will put it out where you want. Hopefully, you've enjoyed my tutorial on how to get a free audiobook from Google. Please subscribe, comment, and check out my links below.